For this question, I'm going to tell you where students make mistakes on these trig equations. So for this question, we have tan 2 theta minus 1 is equal to 0, and we need to find all the solutions of theta where theta is between 0 and 360. So what I've done is I've moved that minus 1 to the other side, so we get tan squared theta is equal to 1, and then I've worked out the inverse tan of 1. If you do that on your calculator, you will get 45. So we know that 2 theta is equal to 45. Now, this is where students make the mistakes. At this stage, they will divide by 2, so you get 22.5, and then because theta is 22.5, they will then work out the solutions now. So if you use a cast diagram, you will get, you have a 22.5 here, and you'll get another 22.5 here, because that is when tan is positive. And then doing that, you will get two solutions, 22.5 and 202.5. And while those are solutions, you would be wrong in the exam. You would most likely maybe get half marks because you've worked out half of the solutions. But there are two more solutions which you need to work out. And in today's video, that's what I'm going to be going over. So what we do at this stage is we actually put that 45 into the cast diagram and we work out the solutions at just 2 theta for now. So if we do that, therefore we would get a 45 degrees here and another 45 degrees here. Okay, so if we write that out, that'll be 2 theta is equal to 45 and 225. And now what we need to do is, this is for 2 theta, but in the question it says that theta has to be between 0 and 360. So really what that means is 2 theta is actually between 0 and 720. And because of that, we actually have to work this out between 0 and 720 first. So if we do that, we go around once more. Doing that, we will then do 360 plus 45, which is 405. And then we'll do 540 plus 45, which is, which is 585, okay? So now that these are the 4 solutions, and now once we've done this for 2 theta, now we can divide by 2. And if we divide all these values by 2, therefore we will get theta is equal to 45 divided by 2 is 22.5. 225 divided by 2 is 112.5. 405 divided by 2 is 202.5. And last but not least, 585 divided by 2 is 292.5.